So hello guys, welcome back and welcome to my channel. This is Amby's vlog and I'm back with another video for you guys. So from the title you guys must have guessed it right, it's an unboxing video of a scale model, and it's not just an ordinary scale model, it's a special one, and it might be India's first scale model because I have not seen many videos of this model from India on YouTube. So hopefully it would be the first one. So let's just quickly open up and see what's inside this box. So this is a box which I have received via registered post. I have ordered this scale model from AliExpress. I will put up the link in the description so that you guys can buy. And the seller was humble enough, he answered to all my queries, and it took around like 3 months to ship here in India. Generally it takes around 1 month via registered post, but due to the situation around the world, it took 3 months to reach here. So the seller packed this product very well, as you can see from this footage. The product inside is totally safe, and I have checked it before, so sorry about it. And let's just open it up and see how's the product. So let me just grab my cutter and then just so there it is. It's a BBurago's scale model, as you can see from the first glance. So let's just quickly take it out from this box and we'll meet at the other side of the video. So there it is guys, BBurago 1:24 scale model for Lamborghini Terzo Millenio, and yes, it's a licensed product. I don't know why BBurago didn't launch it here in India. It was just available on AliExpress. So here it is. The back box seems to be perfect. Yes, it might be Chinese. And these are their partners. Let me just zoom it for you guys. So they have this Abarth, Alfa Romeo, Fiat, Lancia, Bugatti, and McLaren and everything. There is a seal for originality. It has Lamborghini's logo, Italian design, and here it is all in its glory sitting inside the box. So I just can't wait to take it out. So let's just quickly take it out. And finally, after waiting for almost 3 months, I have my hands on it. Nothing inside the box. Let's just quickly keep it aside. So guys, here it is. I guess seller took an extra precaution and he just repacked it even more tight so that it won't get damaged in the transit. So yeah. So this is how you can expect from the stock or a factory packaging. It would be like this, taped. There would be a seal for the doors to keep them in place, and there would be 2 screws, and there is a tool or a screwdriver to take it out. So let's just quickly take it out and let's take it out from this packaging. So they have provided this instruction manual, and oh, it's not a screwdriver, it's a tool. It's a tool to open the doors and everything of this vehicle or a scale model. So you can use this tool on any scale model to open the doors and anything, so that you won't damage it with any other like screwdriver or anything. So this is a good addition with this product. Thumbs up for this. So let's just quickly take it out. and it has this standard star head, or you can see the forehead screw holding it in place. Just have to remove these two screws and your model will be off the base. Screws are off and the base is separated from the model. So here it is. Let me just zoom it on it. There would be a cinematic. First impression, it's a very decent and well made product. The paint finish, the glass, the wheels, they're just awesome. Let me just quickly zoom it on the wheels. They have like properly replicated the wheels for the scale of 1:24. It's an awesome quality. On the finish, there's a small Lamborghini logo. So let's just quickly cut this seal off and check out the doors. And we'll just quickly use the tool which they have provided with the model to open up the door. You just have to put it here and then lift it. So you can see there is an interior, steering, seats. It has a good detail. I'll put up the close-up shot later. This is just an overview. Clear details. 63 number. Decent finish. Like awesome for the price and the scale. Finish is really great. So for the quick comparison, I have 1:24 Lamborghini Urus and Lamborghini Huracan. So as you can see, it's in a proper scale, and these are Maestro ones, and this is BBurago now. So there would be quality differences, but the scale they are properly matching. So thumbs up, like the first impression and the overall product is really good. And also, like I was not expecting to be like the finish in 1:24 in this way, and like really satisfied with this purchase. So there is a like small detail on it, like carbon fiber finish and the glass. Like it's like amazing for this scale and the price point.
So that was it, guys. That was the quick unboxing for 1:24 BBurago scale model for Lamborghini Terzo Millenio. I hope you guys liked my video, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Till then, this is Ambys Vlog signing off.